Hello, my name is Damaris, and this is vlog number 1 for the Cross-Gendered Hobby Project for Cal State East Bay's Rec 310 Women in Leisure class. My leisure activities include things that are creative, such as painting. These are some of the ones that I've done before. I also really like listening to music and going to concerts. Another big part of my leisure activities goes into sports. I don't play, but I like to watch sports. My dad studied to be a PE teacher and has always had sports on TV, and that's what we spend a lot of our weekends doing. I live in Los Angeles, and it's home to a lot of great sports teams. We are LAFC season ticket holders, so we rarely miss a soccer match. And my family and I also really like going to Dodger games and just enjoying the experience of Dodger Stadium. For this project, I will be building a model. Last semester, I worked on this model here, and it was an interesting experience. I'd never done something like that before, but this semester I will be building this model here. I got lucky and I was able to reuse some of the paint that I had from the previous model, but I needed a few other colors, so I ordered them from the same hobby shop that I had before, and I really like that they have a large selection and everything in stock, and seeing how they have everything that I needed, it's somewhere what I would consider purchasing for other projects that are outside of class. This build I think is going to be a lot more complicated than the other one. When I received the box, I didn't think it was going to be that big, and when I opened it and started seeing how many pieces it was going to have and looking at the instructions, it's a lot more complicated. With this build, I'm going to have to be using cables and wires and chains to put together some of the parts, and it has a lot more components. So I think that'll be interesting and pose a challenge for me. But I'm confident in my crafting skills and my abilities to be able to pull this off. I also plan on adding a little bit of a personal touch to it because my family in Mexico are truckers, and I want to add a small family picture on the inside of the cabin and our last name on the side of the truck. So I look forward to seeing this build completed.